Hello, this video goes over how to use this myCourses site template. To begin, you should know that the course menu along the left side of the page is the primary mode of navigation for getting around a myCourses site. You as the instructor can add links to this menu for students to click on and access different tools and content that you upload. To get you started, we have added a few tools to the menu. The Welcome Start here has information for you and your students. Announcements is a place where you can come in and post messages for your students that can also go to their email. Email provides a way for you to email your entire class or for your class to contact you via email. All messages are exchanged through your normal UMass Dartmouth Outlook mail. There is also campus advisory info for students related to what's going on right now, and the tech and support services that has some tutorials and other support information for students who might be new to using myCourses and other technologies. First, let's look at the announcements area. Here you can send an announcement to your students by using the Create Announcement button. You would write these like you'd write an email. So I'll say, "Hello class," and then in the box below I would type out the message I want to send to them. Once you finish typing your message, scroll down and check the Send a copy of this announcement immediately box to have this sent to the students' email inboxes via Outlook Mail. Click Submit and your announcement will be sent. myCourses keeps a log of all the announcements you've sent here, so not only do students see it in their Outlook Mail, but they'll also see a log of them here when they log into myCourses. If you'd like to add some content to your course, you can do so by adding a content area on the course menu. Click the plus sign in the top left corner and choose Content Area. Think of these like a folder. So here I'm going to say Week 8 because I'm going to create a folder where I upload some information related to Week 8 of my course. I'll check Available to Users so that students are able to see this, and then click Submit. Once my link is made, it will show up at the bottom, and when I click on Week 8, it brings up this page. Under the Build Content area, I can add some content to the page. Some of the more popular things you might want to add are a file or a link. If you click on File, you can use the Browse My Computer button to look on your computer for whatever you would like to upload. This is similar to attaching something to an email. Here I'm going to upload my presentation and give that file a name. Now that I've chosen my file and given it a name, I'm going to click Submit and it will get uploaded onto the page. Students will just need to come in and click on it to open it. If you go to Build Content again and choose Web Link, here you can make a link to somewhere out on the internet. For example, I can make a link to Google. In the top box, I'll type the name of the link, and then in the box for URL, I would paste in the URL or the link to the site. You're not restricted as to where you can link to. You can put a link there to just about anything on the internet, whether it's in UMass Dartmouth's databases, on Google, or anywhere else. You can provide a quick description of the link as well in the text box. Click Submit, and that will add the link to your site. You can continue to create more content areas if you need to organize and upload more content as time goes by. Anything you upload to a site can be hidden from students' view by putting your mouse over the piece of content, clicking the down arrow and choosing Make Unavailable, or clicking the down arrow and choosing Make Available if it's already unavailable. You can tell something's unavailable because it will say Availability Item is hidden from students underneath it. You can also rearrange things by grabbing the left edge of something and dragging it up or down by clicking down on your mouse arrow and pulling it up or down. The same applies on the course menu. I can grab this Week 8 link and pull it up here under the course content area. If I click the down arrow next to a link, I can also choose to hide a link, which hides it from students' view but allows you to see it, and this is indicated by this little square with a line through it. If you click the down arrow again, you can show link, or you can rename the link if you didn't like the initial name that you gave it. Lastly, if you'd like to check your work, you can click this eyeball up in the top right corner to enter student preview mode. It's a little tough to see against the blue, but it's the eyeball to the left of the color swatcher. So when you click that, it's going to show you your course site as a student. So here, I can't see the Week 8 because I hid it. This is a great way to check your work. Click on Exit Preview to go back to editing as an instructor. If you have any other questions about using myCourses, we encourage you to click on the Faculty Support link on the bottom of your menu. Here you'll see some links for help and ways to contact CITS. In particular, the myCourses Help for Faculty page has tutorials and information on just about everything in myCourses when it comes to uploading content, accepting submissions, and grading student work. You can also click the Instructional Continuity link to check out information on how to switch over your course from face-to-face to online if the event arises. There's also the CITS Help and Support link, which will allow you to get help with using myCourses. On this page, you'll click on Instructional Technologies to reach out to a member of our team. The 24/7 help desk is also available for you and for students. Anytime you need help with myCourses, you can live chat, submit a ticket, or call them for help with basic myCourses questions. That's all for this video. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to us at ithelp.umsd.edu.